The new Volkswagen Polo 2026 marks the arrival of a refined and forward-thinking generation of one of Europe's most iconic compact cars, designed to merge agile city performance with advanced technology and a premium feel. As Gear Era brings you this detailed exploration, the focus is not only on what makes the Polo 2026 stand out in its segment, but also on how Volkswagen has shaped this car to meet the evolving demands of the modern driver. The Polo has always represented a balance of practicality, efficiency, and durability. And the 2026 model elevates these qualities with upgraded engineering, sophisticated styling, and enhanced comfort that collectively aim to set a new benchmark for compact hatchbacks. The exterior of the Polo 2026 demonstrates a clear step forward in Volkswagen's design language. The front fascia features a streamlined grille that seamlessly integrates with the newly redesigned LED matrix headlights, giving the car a confident expression. The lower bumper is sculpted to enhance both aerodynamics and visual appeal, contributing to a more dynamic and planted stance. The side profile reveals precise character lines that flow neatly from the front to the rear, creating a sense of motion even when the vehicle is stationary. Subtle chrome touches and improved paint finishes add a more upscale appearance. At the rear, the LED taillights are sharper and more sophisticated, accompanied by a redesigned bumper that emphasizes width and stability. The hatch opens with effortless smoothness, maintaining the practicality that Polo owners value. Under the hood, Volkswagen offers a variety of efficient engines, designed to provide the perfect balance between performance and fuel savings. The primary powertrain is a refined 1.0-liter, turbocharged three-cylinder that delivers smooth acceleration and impressive efficiency, making it ideal for urban commutes and highway cruising. Paired with a responsive dual-clutch automatic transmission, this engine ensures quick gear shifts and reduced energy loss. A mild hybrid system is available in higher variants, adding an electric boost during acceleration while lowering fuel consumption. This combination of compact engineering and modern hybrid technology reflects Volkswagen's continuing commitment to environmental responsibility and practical performance. The suspension setup has been meticulously tuned to offer comfort without sacrificing control, allowing the Polo 2026 to glide confidently over uneven surfaces while maintaining stability at higher speeds. Inside the cabin, the Polo 2026 showcases a remarkable transformation that leans heavily into premium design and digital convenience. The interior features a soft-touch dashboard, elegant trims, and a clean layout that avoids clutter while prioritizing accessibility. The centerpiece is a large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system positioned slightly toward the driver for improved ergonomics. This system supports intuitive navigation, seamless smartphone integration, and intelligent voice commands. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel delivers clear and customizable driving information, enhancing both functionality and the sense of modern sophistication. The steering wheel itself has been redesigned with improved contours and integrated controls that allow for effortless adjustment of major features without taking hands off the wheel. Passenger comfort has been taken into careful consideration as well. The seats offer improved cushioning and support, maintaining comfort during long drives and ensuring good posture during city trips. The spacing inside the cabin has been slightly optimized, providing better legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Thoughtful storage compartments throughout the interior allow small items to be easily organized, maintaining the cleanliness and convenience that compact car owners appreciate. Volkswagen has also emphasized cabin acoustics, using sound-absorbing materials across key areas to reduce road and wind noise, resulting in a calmer and more enjoyable driving environment. Soft ambient lighting adds a touch of warmth during nighttime journeys. In terms of technology, the Polo 2026 is one of the most advanced cars in its class. The infotainment system supports wireless smartphone connectivity, enabling effortless access to apps, music, and communication tools. Multiple USB-C ports provide fast charging, ensuring that devices stay powered throughout the trip. The climate control system operates with precision, maintaining cabin temperature with minimal effort. Keyless entry and push buttons start add an extra layer of convenience, streamlining daily use. Advanced driver assistance systems form a crucial part of the Polo's technological upgrades, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, rear traffic alert, blind spot detection, and parking sensors that make maneuvering in tight spaces far easier. Driving the new Volkswagen Polo 2026 reveals a careful blend of comfort, precision, and efficiency. Steering feedback is accurate and predictable, making the car easy to handle in crowded urban environments while still enjoyable to guide along open roads. The compact body and well-tuned suspension contribute to excellent stability, even when navigating sharp turns. The braking system has been enhanced for better responsiveness, giving drivers a sense of confidence in various driving conditions. The mild hybrid variant delivers smooth transitions between power sources, resulting in quieter performance and better fuel economy. Overall, the Polo 2026 feels agile, dependable, and effortlessly controlled, making it well-suited for new drivers as well as experienced ones seeking a practical yet refined hatchback. The practicality of the Polo continues to be one of its defining traits. The boot offers ample space for daily needs, groceries, luggage, or even light travel gear, making the car suitable for both city and weekend use. The rear seats can be folded to expand cargo room when necessary. Thoughtful engineering ensures that the car remains simple to maintain and economical to run. Volkswagen's reputation for long-term reliability boosts confidence for buyers who seek durability and consistent performance. The 2026 model benefits from improved components and enhanced materials designed to withstand years of regular use while retaining comfort and efficiency. The new Volkswagen Polo 2026 stands as a polished, capable, and forward-looking compact car that redefines what a hatchback can deliver in its class. Its refined exterior, advanced technology, comfortable interior, efficient powertrains, and balanced driving dynamics create a package that appeals to a wide range of users. Gear Ira presents this detailed review to highlight how Volkswagen has successfully evolved a familiar nameplate into a modern and desirable vehicle that meets contemporary expectations, while staying true to its roots. If you enjoyed this in-depth review and want to continue exploring the latest automotive insights, do not forget to support the channel and subscribe at the end.